Welcome back guys, this is Nikhil, and in this video let's see how to shut down your PC using Python commands. For Windows users, open command prompt or terminal, type Python 3 for Python interpreter and then type this code. After a second your PC gets shut down. For Mac OS users, type Python 3 for Python interpreter and then type import OS and os.system shutdown space -h, and you need to say now because we need to shut down it right now. And then it pops out a message saying not a super user. To overcome this message, you need to simply type sudo and then you have to type your system password. After typing your password, after 1 or 2 seconds your PC gets shut down. And subscribe for more content.
I'm in love with the cold.